lona ngiyanikhuthaza ukuthi ngoba kumahhala kuregister kubo Google kubo lulu.com ngathi nje kuto tonke letindzawo lapho khona kuthiwa una register utawuthola imali utawakha imali ayi ukuthi utawuthola imali because eziletinto tikhula njengaku5 nje mina ngiya freelancer ku5 register igama lakho libe khona because asathi in the future kutawendekani kwendeka hamba vale ngibonela amanye ama websites labe kavulile before sewavalile but if your name is already there because awubhadali lutho but your account is active ngabekisa njengalulu ngangi active way back bo 2006 ngafaka khona some of my content ngithe ngiyachecka recently ngakhanza ukuthi I've made some sales but and my account is still active so ukutakhanza ukuthi lo munye la ngwana mhlambe nakangathi uya register the area has been restricted but you are already in there because wangena isangena lento isazama kwakhiwa ngibekise nga Google as well Google AdSense nakhona ngangena asanza kucala Google ngingakhona nje mina kumonetizer noma ke kwakha imali ngecontent lengiyakhile ku website noma kuma ads a Google njengalama videos but lo munye longenako maybe in the future kutaphinze kuvuleke longenako la Swatini ngeke baze bamvumele because seba improveile and we have been left behind so awusakhona ngene and I've had good news ukuthi one mhlambe naye ngangeva ngale that cards namhla seva ukuthi uthengisa ema ads kuma videos akhe and he's netting about close to 100,000 plus a month every month ngoba wangena lesa sikhathi so because awubhadali lutho ngena kuletinto lekuthiwa yakhe imali kuto until ke sekuthiwa bhadala then ke maybe ke you may remove your account there so ngiyakhuthata we don't pay anything to register just register you don't know in the future you might take interest in this thing and then takhanza ukuthi already you have your name listed and then you have a chance mina nje experience yami bebhlungu ads kade ngambona ngithi ngiyaya ku ads inyalo ngafike bathi abasabamukeli bantu laba register nga PayPal kanti kade ngambona ignorisha ads is a very good another good option yakwakha imali online by selling your designs your artwork. I'm an artist by the way ngiyakwati drawer I've designed a number of Christian t-shirts but now bengizothenga kwathiwa not anymore kanti kube nga register lesa sikhathi kuyasho futhi nalapha lokuthi labe ba registerile they are still okay so ngiyakhuthata just register you just so that you are safe in case you take interest in this in the future then you are good to go. You will thank me later.